What if you could have your very own automated megastore like Shopify, eBay, or Amazon up and running in just 3 mouse clicks? Or a mega suite of digital affiliate offers that are ready to milk you truckloads of commissions in 3 simple clicks? An online store preloaded with the products proven to sell like hotcakes. These are the exact same products we've used to make millions in revenue. And what if I told you this online store would attract thousands of free buyers to itself? That means traffic won't be an issue for you. You won't need to mess around with headaches like coding, paid traffic, solo ads, and you won't need to spam your friends on social media. Heck, you won't even need to pay for hosting or a domain. That's because Income Engine takes care of all of that for you. With Income Engine, you're just 3 clicks away from having your very own automated online megastore, preloaded with top converting physical and digital products at your disposal. And there's no extra fees. We provide you with a domain and blazing fast hosting 100% free. There are no strings attached or hidden fees. Just click your mouse 3 times. That's how easy it is. Click number 1. Choose from a list of done-for-you products you want displayed on your site. Click number 2. Press the Continue button to publish and save your megastore. We'll give you a domain to use and host the site for you. Click number 3. Connect your PayPal account so you can receive payments. Don't worry, this is as easy as downloading a photo online. And click number 4. Activate the built-in traffic. The built-in automation will start sending thousands of free buyers to your site. This is what guarantees us endless sales. That's it. Once you've set this up, there's no need to do anything else. You can completely forget about it, because your megastore will operate by itself thanks to our automation. Remember, there are no hidden fees. Income Engine is an all-in-one system that gives you everything you need to be successful. Everything from a free domain, free hosting, done-for-you megastores like Amazon and eBay, or a mega suite of affiliate offers proven to sell like hotcakes. And most importantly, the built-in traffic. This is the secret sauce that makes us money. If you're tired of buying endless products and want to stick to something that works, Income Engine is your best bet. Because we've been seeing results with Income Engine for the past 6 years and decided to release it due to how well it worked for us. So how much will Income Engine cost you? Well, considering it's backed by over 6 years of consistent results, we can charge a hefty price. This isn't another one of those apps launched every month. This is something proven to bring in results, regardless of your experience level. So charging $497 for access would be reasonable. After all, it would quickly pay for itself. But we get it, that's a lot of money to put up front. $497 could buy you a new laptop. We know you've worked hard this year, so we'd like to treat the early adopters of Income Engine to a discount. You won't pay anywhere near $497. Not $297, not $197, not even $37. You'll pay the one-time price equivalent to that of a cheap t-shirt to get a copy of Income Engine. But there is a catch. We can only take in so many members, and we will be closing our doors soon due to potential saturation. So if you want to come back later and aren't able to get back in, please don't blame me. And remember, you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't see results, you can just get your money back. Either way, you win. Just be sure to get started before we stop accepting new members. Click the button below to grab your copy of Income Engine.